This is the first time I'm filming with this. Okay, don't even know how it's done. Does that mean it's on?
No. Yeah. It's on. It's recording, man.
Oh yeah, it's recording. Yeah, I can see the numbers rolling.
Yeah.
Numbers rolling. It's recording you. Recording me.
Let's hope the fish are rolling too.
Okay, so let's try to get some fish on the GoPro. Yeah.
Once,
man. That mean it's on?
No. Yeah. It's on.
Is it recording?
It's recording, man.
Oh yeah, it's recording. Yeah, I can see the numbers rolling. Numbers rolling. It's recording you. Recording me.
Let's hope the fish are rolling too.
Okay, so let's try to get some fish on the GoPro. Yeah. Once, man. That's the only aim. Today we're gonna try Tenya fishing. Can you see the Mustard fast catch clip? I like the clip small, can slip through all the rod ring and easy to keep. Okay.
I've never fished with Tenya before. So can you show me the basics?
Yeah, trying to just use a Mustard fast catch clip. There. So easy, just twist it on it.
I use the fast catch clip in Maldives.
You have the fast catch clip now?
No, I don't have.
Alamak. Okay. So see, this is how you bait up. Okay. Alright. You break the tail off the prawn and slide it in all the way. And then you put the assist hook over and ta-da! Let's go, man. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's see. I'm using the Pioneer and Tenya. Do you think it's recording the correct view? Oh, can feel some nice solid ground. Oh, that was a bite. There. A bite? Oh, that's a bite. Alright. Ryan's on a bite. Still there? Oh yeah. You're on. Alright. Whoa. Check out the drag. Is this? Wait, Come on, start. Alright. Is this your first ever fish on Tenya?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Your landing net is on your right. Please auto land. Okay. So you can see Bryan is on. Let's now put some nice drag there. Hopefully it's a Mera. Most likely grouper, but we are always hoping for the Mera. Is it fighting a bit stronger than usual? Mera? Brown? Red? Brown. Okay. Oh, brown. Nice one. Slip it in. Yeah. Good land. Good catch. Check out the Tenya.
Yep.
Yeah, in the mouth of the grouper. Nicely done.
Thank you.
See? What do you say?
ONZZ.
Yeah.
Dinner.
Alright, man.
Dinner.
I saw the bugger biting.
Oh,
which part got hook?
At
The
corner.
little assist hook.
Yeah, the little assist hook.
Alright, man.
Wow.
Nice pink. Matches your pants, I think. That's why.
Wow, that's why you
Wow.
saw.
Okay, come show us the fish.
Now here is cock already. Not there was the meat.
Oh, another one. Oh, yeah. today, oh, fierce, oh. Fierce, oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, Bryan, you're ons, man. How? Smaller, huh? Oh, good, huh? Your pink one.
Oh, not bad.
Oh, say. Come, let's film this also. Double. Alright, again, ons. Wallah, today's your day, lah. I think I use up all my luck in Gold Coast. But it's okay, lah. I'd rather use it in Gold Coast.
You got your target fish.
Yeah. Oh, then got a bit of weirder fight, huh?
Smaller head.
Yeah. So are you hoping for something? Nice lah, nice lah. Whatever it is a nice. I saw the fight, man. Oh, brown. Brownie. Okay, you're doing well, Bryan. Oh.
Pinky.
Again on the pinky.
Yep.
Alright, slightly smaller, but
Yep.
still very nice.
Neighbor size, just
Yeah.
nice for two.
Look at the way the assist hook and the main hook both hooked it. Wallah.
No chance.
Oh, yeah, go back. Come on. Take it.
Oh,
Take it. Oh, missed it.
come on, man. How can you miss that, man?
So they're still there. Got it. Not big. But it's a fish.
Hey, man.
Alright.
You want to something?
Yeah, I'm on. Don't drop. Oh, feel the. Oh. Yeah, it's a grouper. Hoi. Hey, small one. But still a grouper.
Alright, man.
On Spain.
So let me see it.
Okay lah.
Nice.
Substantial. On its Aji, yeah. Oh, not too bad lah. Whoa. Look at the fight. Yep. Looking good. Oh, this Aji good, huh? Wow, looks nice, man. I don't want to come up, huh? Slowly. Oh, looks fun. Oh, still can cool down. Oh, leader. What's that? Your favorite Sagai. Yeah, the net is just here. When it comes out, you own self settle. Nah. Sagai. Yeah, okay. Oh, this Sagai like to follow your rod.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, looks good. Let's get some more, man. Big sun black road, this one. Oh, I think mid-sized parrot.
Hopefully a nice parrot.
Yeah.
Some form of nice table fish.
Let's see. Oh, parrot. Oh, hey, I cannot lift up.
I cannot. Okay, never mind. I go.
I cannot.
Oi.
Quite nice size.
Oi.
Yeah,
I put down.
Yeah.
The hook
Oh,
stuck.
it came off. Wow, hang on.
Yeah.
I cannot lift up. The thing cannot carry this weight.
Yep.
Oh, lane.
Oh, nice parrot.
The Mustard fast catch clip with a Tenya, and we've been catching some nice big groupers. Shook, man. Let's get some more. Okay, I'm at the spot now. Ready? Let's go.
Go.
Ooh. Check the multiplier. It multiplies your fish. Okay.
Nowadays,
very nice. You like my new reel? That day I got the Kura with this. Damn shook.
So at the side, this one is a lock or
This
is it
one's
a clicker?
Clicker. Got clicker one. Very nice.
But could be lock, right? Have you tried?
Not lock. Clicker.
So when you sangkut, then you will need my help.
Okay, this is how you work the Tenya. Okay. So So Tenya, very easy. It's like slow up, slow down, slow up, slow down. Okay, and then once in a while, you make sure you can feel the bottom. Alright, then you just, it's almost like Madai. Okay, just up and down, up. Oh.
Oh, you and your kurao, man.
Oh,
Bring the kurao luck.
Oh, yeah, taking back. Whoa.
Right, man.
I was reeling in quite a lot.
Yeah.
I was trying to keep line.
I saw. Wonder what this is.
Yeah, man.
So we are on Tenya.
Yeah, trying to catch fish. Tenyas.
Yeah, Tenyas. Whoa! I think good fish.
Yeah, man.
My line's out. You can control it left.
I know, I'm trying. But it's quite strong.
Yeah, don't worry. How much more?
Not too sure, man. Not too sure. They got a lot of line on the first run. This is not the Sabiki. There's some mess on it.
Oh.
Over, down.
Wait, slowly. Oh, brown.
Oh,
Whoa!
big mama. Oh.
Nice one.
ONZZ. Oh.
Check out the mouth.
Yeah, man. Wrecking the Tenya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Came out to try some Tenya fishing.
Yeah.
Apparently Tenya is quite effective, huh?
Yeah. We got some.
You got some fish like parrotfish. But then most importantly, we got quite a number of groupers. Still some more in there. So what do we say, man?
ONZZ.
Let's go back. Sky is starting to get dark.
Yeah. Hopefully we get back before the rain.
Yeah, okay, let's go, man.
Yeah.